Today we're going to talk about the 14-inch CRT monitor that's found in most Fanuc controls. It's the workhorse of monitor. They're installed all around the world and they all look like the same boxy shape with a corner. They'll either have a 20-pin blue Honda connector here or a 20-pin silver Honda connector. And the power, there's a couple different pin, designs for the power, but they're all the same AC power. Has two designs of LCD monitor. The first one is the drop-in replacement. It's a plug and play, pull it out of the box, put it in the machine, less than 10 minutes, your machine's up and running. It comes with all three versions of Honda cables. They're the 20-pin blue Honda, 20-pin silver Honda, male and female. The mounting bracket, so you remove the front bezel and the holes are designed so it bolts right into the machine. It's very, very little amount of work is required to keep this, to install this. And this is a drop-in replacement. It also has a LCD upgrade kit. So with the LCD upgrade kit, what you're going to do is you've got your original CRT monitor. You want to keep the frame. So you pull the original CRT out of the frame, pull all the electronics out, and you're going to install the LCD upgrade kit directly onto the frame and put it right back in the machine. The LCD also comes with the 20-pin blue Honda connector and the 20-pin silver Honda connector, and it comes with the frame. Because you're bolting this right on the frame, you remove this back corner piece and these bolt right in. The different types of Fanuc monitors you're looking at, they all start with the same part number, A61L-0001-, and then the last digits are either 0074, 0094, or 0096, and this replaces all of them. And also, if you're doing an Okuma 14-inch CRT, this is exactly the same frame. Monitors also do the Okuma 14-inch. It has the same 20-pin silver Honda connector, and this will replace, both versions will replace the Okuma 14-inch CRT. So the Fanuc Okuma 14-inch CRT is a 1-year warranty. They usually have the product in stock, so you can have the product next day installed, the machine's up and running. Any questions, give them a call, and hope to hear from you soon. All right, thanks, bye.